Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got TUX Orange Pippin and Creative Shop 17. I've started this one off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here is TUX Orange Pippin. Got a little bit of ugly bottle syndrome, but it's good. So I'm going to cap my free edge first. This was one of those polishes that needed that. And now I'm going to go in with my first coat. And I'm sorry, my camera is like wigging out. It just, at the beginning of this video, for some reason, it just didn't want to behave right. See? I'm going to have to get Woody out here to help. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Clean up Mama's mess again. Oh, she's such a messy girl. And now that we've got that one down and dry, we're going to go in with the second coat. I say dry, pretty much dry. We're going to do our second coat here. Now, I'm in love with this orange holographic polish. I've been searching for something like this for a while. I've got to thank my friend Miss Becky for sending it to me. I had an old polish that looked very similar, and it got all used up, and it's no longer being sold. So I'm going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And to me, this is like, every time I wear a color like this, I think monarch butterflies. Yes. See where we're going today, right? We're going to cap this free edge and we're going to get it to dry down so we can get into the playing. Here is Orange Pippin on its own. And here's Creative Shop 17. I'll be using Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black today for stamping, as well as my Monocle stamper from Maniology and their scraper as well. So here we go with this big old butterfly wing. No, it ain't gonna fit on my little skinny nails, my little baby nails. But I'm gonna use bits and pieces of this same image all over all of my nails in different positions. And we're just gonna keep bumping along here. I do love butterfly images, butterfly wings, butterflies holes, little bit, all of it. I love all of it. It just makes me happy. And this one's just an easy manicure for me. I don't have to worry about colors matching up or if this is going to work. I just love it. So we're going to just keep bebopping. I do always clean my plates off with pure acetone. And I clean my stamper off on a lint roller. Way back in the day, I just used a piece of tape. Now that I've got the lint roller, it just makes things easier for me. And I am absolutely digging this, especially with spring being here. It's just so nice to jump into some butterfly manicures. Butterflies, flowers, dragonflies, all that good stuff. I'm looking forward to it. But I hope you enjoyed this. I just get out here and I do some stamping. And sometimes I get to do some water marbling. But today we're just doing just a basic stamp. But I have to tell you, in the end, I was thrilled with this manicure. It just made me happy. And that's what it's all about, right? Alrighty. So here we go. I'm going to go in with a little piece of tape and do some cleanup around my nails. Get some of that excess polish off of my skin. And I just find this works better for me, especially with colors that smear real bad like black. So I'm going to go in now with my cleanup brush. And just kind of tap, tap, tap. And that's where the most of the mess is on them corners right there. Going to get them all cleaned up. Get it tidied up so we can carry it on with this manicure. There it is. We are there. Alright, I am going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Going to seal it in without smearing it. And then we're going to head on to the last part. I'm going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls today. And this one will be To Did. And I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this manicure. Because I always love hearing from you. It's another thing that makes my heart happy, hearing from my friends on YouTube. There we go. Here's my swatch photo. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.